go. Holy.
Massive hit. And
Yeah.
there's sparks flying everywhere.
So now we can see the crack on this side as well, which needs repairing.
With Hurricane Irma, boats tossed. Here we are at this marina.
Hi, my name's Colin. I used to be a chief engineer on super yachts, but gave it all up to buy a hurricane-damaged Lagoon 450. My friends and I are fixing it up as we go, and are determined to circumnavigate the entire planet. So subscribe if you want some inspiration to live life to the fullest. 20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things you didn't do than by the things you did. So what are you waiting for? Morning guys, so as we said last night, someone got struck by lightning, and it was a pretty bad one apparently in the marina. We've seen a few guys walking around trying to see who it was and what the damage is, so we'll go check it out, see what we can find.
If you come have a look here, it is all melted to...
Oh wow, look at that. Black.
We were sitting out in the cockpit,
And you saw it.
and there was a massive hit, and
Yeah.
there's sparks flying everywhere, and we couldn't make out exactly which boat it was.
Yeah,
I thought, well, it must have been the tallest mast, you know, the 620,
yeah.
but apparently it's this one. So
Does someone live on this boat?
no, I haven't seen anyone here like forever.
Wow. And so you saw sparks and everything?
It was fireworks.
Seriously?
Yeah, and I think what you had on Parlay, you know, is just think, man, what's going on?
Yeah.
We sat in the cockpit and just saw sparks flying, you know,
Wow.
direct hit.
Oh, you lost an LED light though?
Yeah, in one of the cabins.
And you're, what?
I'm 60 meters that way.
Wow. And one of your LED lights is gone.
Yeah. And it
We're
looks like
about the
it popped
same
up.
distance away,
Yeah,
actually.
Yeah. Saw no one on Parlay, so I didn't know if you were here. Probably not.
I think we got back just after it happened, and everyone was like running to their boats to turn everything off, I guess.
Yeah. I was taking off everything.
Yeah.
You know, like the VHF antenna, splitters, the N2K backbone. everything.
Really? Ah, yeah, you're learning from
I
us.
learned.
Crazy. So this is what we got to deal with being here in Panama in the wet season. Just never know when one of these lightning storms are going to come through, and they're so bad. It's not a nice feeling being here, to be honest, but we got nowhere else we can go. All the borders are closed and we got to fix the boat, so just kind of got to cross our fingers that we don't get struck again, because the first time was unpleasant enough. So we got this big dilemma now. We need to get this corner out so that we can expose this bulkhead to do the repair, and this is slotted into the bulkhead, and the walls are slotted top and bottom into a fiberglass frame, so we're unable to get these out. So we're gonna have to make some cuts that we didn't want to make, but we're gonna cut it at the top, cut it at the bottom, and then run a saw down that cut there, and hopefully this will all come out. We'll see how we go. We're just gonna start hacking into it. We got no choice whatsoever but to start doing some serious damage. Okay, so we've pulled these slots out of the bulkhead here, all the way up to there. We've got this in front of it with the slots, so if you hold that, I might be able to get this down now. There it comes. There we go. Holy shit. So now we've exposed this part. We didn't want to cut more than this because we wouldn't be able to join it at the top anymore. So at least here we can put a batten behind here and support this wall again. But now we can see all of this. That is a beast of a crack. So you're gonna have to get it grinded and everything all in here. There's more cracks under here, which you're gonna have to cut this out, I think. Goes on and on, but we can see that the bulkhead is cracked here. And it's just split this, and then these two have come up and that one stayed. So now that we've opened it up, that's about all the cuts we need to do for the wood. We've got enough access now to do all this bulkhead repair, except for this corner. So we're gonna just cut the fiberglass on the corner frame here, and that should give us the final bit of access we need to do the repair all up this wall. And we'll cut the other side as well. So we don't want to cut too much. We're gonna have to obviously re-glass this back together. So I'll make a cut here, and I'll make a cut there so that we can access this, the bulkhead here. And then we'll have to re-glass this piece here back in to carry the wall here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut into it. By the way guys, this multi-tool here, or this oscillating saw, I bought it on Amazon in the States. And 1 week later, it was in Panama and the shipping was $24. I think that's incredible. So there's a shipping agent here, his name's Felipe. His company's called Mia to Panama. And you can buy anything you want on Amazon, get it shipped to Miami, and then he's got a freight forwarding company that sends whatever you need for about $4 a pound. So super happy with the service. So now we can just order things off Amazon and just a week later they'll be down here. Nice little tip. By the way, this multi-tool is excellent for this kind of stuff. If we were using an upside down GoPro, if we were using a grinder to cut this, there would be dust everywhere. So really good option. And this is a metal cutting bit. So hopefully the glass doesn't chew it up too much, but it's doing okay so far. A couple of teeth missing. There we go, there's the cross section. So the wall is slotted into the frame here. So we're gonna have to re-glass. We'll get this wood out and we'll re-glass all of this back to here. But now we have access to here. There's a crack here. So now we can get a proper reinforcement happening through all of this. And then this floor here goes all the way under the bed. So unless we want to dismantle this entire bed and everything on top of it, we're just going to have to make one sacrificial cut across here and take this piece up so that we can access this side of it. And then we'll just have to do a nice join there with a batten running under it to carry that. Ooh. There we go. So now we can see the crack on this side as well, which needs repairing. Definitely learned from mistakes in the past where I haven't labeled things clearly, and it just, you come back and you wonder where the heck this goes. So it's important to just label everything really clearly so there can't be any mistakes. We're going to wait to see what Lagoon have to say, but it's pretty obvious to me that this piece here has to be removed. Cut down there, remove that, straighten the boat back up, and then hopefully this gap will close and everything will just sort of level itself out. So we've got a lot of work to do in this corner here, but I'm fairly confident with the right amount of epoxy we can fix this. Okay, so welcome to my cabin. We're going to do a whole bunch of glass work up along the bulkhead in there, which we'll show you in a second. So we're going to cut this out a little bit bigger so that Jamie can actually get in there and do the glass work. So we've measured his shoulders, and as long as he can get in there to do the grinding,
I'll just do it a bit littler.
But my shoulders are bigger than yours, so okay, bring it out. About that big, something like that. Again, this is all hidden, so. So that's all the repairs we have to do along here, all the way up under there. So Jamie's just going to see if he can actually fit in there now. Oh,
Yeah.
going?
Come to a stop.
You going to be able to grind fiberglass in there?
You look like you fit a lot better than me, so.
It's tight.
Yeah, that's why you'll probably have to do this bit.
See how it's all come away here? See that grey bonding paste just stayed where it is, and the plywood came up, separated all the way up here. All of this
paste here just come undone. I don't know, this is all very suspicious because this was never actually sitting on here. You can see that the glue's just still untouched, so they've glued it and sat the deck down, but it never was touching this. So this has always just been floating above that. We'll see what Lagoon have to say about this. That's not gonna be fun.
Might be sick that day, you reckon?
Colin sick. Morning guys, so we've developed a little workout routine here in Linton Bay, so we'll take you along for our ride.
Slow motion coming out.
Good. So that's how we spend our Sunday, right?
Oh, it was fun. That's our morning routine at the moment. Love and life. Some of the local kids in the marina have found out that we got a dive board. And now it's dive board day. Check this out. Nah, it's good. Kids are having fun. That's why we built it, for the kids, not for us.
Have we been invited to this game?
I don't know, I'm never invited, right?
Parlay is becoming Linton-based kindergarten.
Bye YouTube.
Bad boy!
Doors down.
Welcome.
Hello.
Hello.
What's up, man?
So this is our friend JP and Lena.
Hey guys.
Hey.
They've got a few hurricane damaged boats that they've been fixing since 2005.
Yeah.
So for a long time. So these guys really know what they're doing. But JP's a tattoo artist, so we're going to take the opportunity to get a tattoo. I think I can get my family crest, my McRae family crest from Scotland, and JP sort of modified it a little bit to make it my own. So super excited. Hopefully it's not too sore, but let's get it done. Let's go. No turning back now.
Sexy, right?
So he's just finished. He just added some white to just bring out the belt buckle and stuff like that. And I'm super stoked. Happy ass.
A little bit stressed because we're all looking if the lines were good and stuff, but I think he did a really good job. So thank you so much, JB.
Thank you.
I like it.
Morning guys, it's just after 6 a.m. and I'm about to leave the boat. I've only done this once before since buying it, and left the boat at anchor. It wasn't a very comfortable situation, so we're feeling a bit bitter about it now. We're in the marina. Jamie and you two are going to take care of the boat, take care of the dog, so I'm really relaxed about the boat. Quite a bit going through my head, but I made the decision to go, so it's happening.